This week we are covering Crabby Vocabby Vocabulary List 3, and the topic is civics this week. Our first word is agog, A-G-O-G, but there's a common variation that has a U-E at the end as well. It means leader. It's from the Greek. Our highlight word is demagogue, which literally is leader of the people, demo, but it's not usually used as a complimentary term. Sample words: cacagogue, isagogue, mystagogue, pedagogue, and pet is child. So a pedagogue is a leader of children or a teacher. Synagogue, sin is together, so synagogue is where you lead the people together. It's a Jewish place of worship. Second is archy, variation, ark, usually pronounced ark, like matriarch, means government. It's from the Greek. Monarchy is the highlight word. Mono is one, so a monarchy is a government with one person at its head. Other sample words: anarchy, an is without, so anarchy, without government. Autarky, govern yourself. Hierarchy, matriarch, ruled by women. Monarchy we already covered. Oligarchy, oligo is few or small. Oligarchy is government by a small group. And patriarchy, male rule. Capite means head. It's from Latin. The highlight word is capital, the head of a country. Sample words: captain, decapitate. We already have D meaning off, so to decapitate is to take a head off. Per capita, that's by person, by head. Precipice, precipitation, and capitulate are other sample words. Civ, also sometimes the variation cit, C-I-T, means people. It's from Latin. Highlight word: civilization, which is composed of people. Sample words: citadel, citizen, city, where people live, civic, having to do with the city where people live, and civilian. Crassy is another word for government. We have archy and now crassy, both mean government. It's also from the Greek. The highlight word: democracy. Demo, I said, was people, so democracy is government of the people. Aristocracy, autocracy, bureaucracy, plutocracy, and theocracy. Theocracy is an interesting word. It's a government by priests. It's run by religious leaders. Next word is, as a matter of fact, demo, the other side of some of these. Also sometimes shows up as dema or demic, means people. From the Greek, there's the other half, demagogue. Sample words: democracy, government of the people; demographics, information about people; endemic, epidemic, pandemic. We already have pan, meaning all. Pandemic affects all people. Epi, by the way, is on, so epidemic is on the people, but a pandemic is all people. Dict, sometimes also just dic, means speak. It's from Latin. Dictator, speaker, in government usually. Benediction, bene is good, so a benediction is a blessing. It's speaking good words. Contradict, contra is against, so you're speaking against somebody. Dictionary, that has the words that you speak. Predict, pre is before, so if you predict something, you speak it before it happens. Valedictorian, val is worth or worthy, so it's a worthy speaker. Verdict, there is true, so a verdict of a jury is a true speech, truly spoken. All right, the next two, they're the same root, but they're actually different. In other words, they're spelled the same. They look the same, but it goes in two different ways. Actually, it goes in three different ways, but one of them is close enough that I joined the other two. Leg, A, the first leg, means law. It's from the Latin. Legislate is the highlight word. Sample words include college, legal, having to do with the law, legate, legitimate, and privilege. Second leg, leg B, has several different variations. Sometimes it's lig, sometimes it's lect, sometimes it's lex. But it means read or choose, and those are somehow closely tied together in Latin. The highlight word is election. Some sample words: collect. Co is together, so collect is to choose everything together. Dyslexia. Dis is bad, means you read poorly. Dyslexia, because the letters switch around. Eligible, intelligent. Lectern. A lectern is the thing you stand in front of and read your speech from. Legible means it can be read, and lexicon is a word list. Finally, liber means free. It's from Latin, and liberty is the highlight word, freedom. Sample words: deliver, liberal, liberate, to make free, libertarian, and libertine.